Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Knowledge Arrow. Today I am going to show you how to change the air filter of Hero Mastro. Left side we have two screws, one screw, one bolt. Remove it. Now remove the bolt. Now go to the right side and there also remove one screw, one bolt. Now come to the top. Here we will find altogether 1, 2, 3 and 3 screws. Unscrew it. Unscrew the 2 screws and 1 bolt. Now at the top we have to unbolt 2. Another one. Now unbolt the third one here in the center. Now slowly keep the seat down. Don't push it to lock. Now lift up the body. Now take the vertical holder and lock it so that the body won't fall down. That's it. Now on the left side of the bike, this is the air filter through which our bike breathes air in. We have to unscrew all the screws. It is good to replace the air filter every 6 months. It will cost around 200 rupees depending upon the company. Now unscrew it slowly. Now comes the final screw. Unscrew it. Now remove the case cover. This is our air filter. See how dirty it is. If this filter is clogged, then the air entering to the carburetor will be less, so our bike performance will be dull. To improve the performance of our bike, and to make it run as a new bike, air filter must always be clean. So remove all the dust from the cabin. Do. And now unscrew the air filter and pull it straightly backwards. Pull. That's it. See how clogged it is. Clean out all the cabin compartment. Now I am cleaning completely. Remember, dust should not enter into the hole, that hole. Be careful while cleaning. After cleaning completely, now take the new air filter and place it back in that hole. Now push down into the hole socket and now fix the screw again in clockwise direction. That's it. Your new air filter is replaced. Now our bike will breathe smoothly and fresh air, and our bike performance will be as a new bike. Healthy air filter makes the vehicle healthy and its performance will be superb. That's it. Now fix all the screws back into their respective holes. That's it. Replacement of air filter is successfully done. Now your bike will perform as a new bike. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back with another interesting video. Bye.